it was basically a journalism exam, and IMC took it. I don't think I am gonna pass because it was a really news item based exam. If you know what is going on in around the globe, you will be able to answer. If you don't know, you will simply fail.
It was pretty decent. The questions were very political in nature. It was just okay.
It was good, like very general, and if you're going by the subject as journalism, then and if you're reading much, then I think it's good.
पेपर नॉर्मल अच्छे थे, क्वेश्चन में कोई प्रॉब्लम तो हल्के थे, कहीं ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी।
एग्ज़ाम बहुत अच्छा गया है। क्वेश्चंस ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं थे। क्वेश्चंस ज़्यादातर बेस्ड थे जो हाल फिलहाल अभी हुए हैं घटनाएं उनके ऊपर बेस्ड थी। मैक्सिमम मिनिमम मान के चलिए 2-3 महीने जो बैक हुए क्वेश्चंस जो घटनाएं हुई हैं उनके बेस के ऊपर थी।
The exam was good, not very difficult, but the pattern was actually not as expected. Like earlier, they used to give a lot of choices for exams. Like you had the odd thing in the exam, but this time it was like you had to answer all the questions without that many choices. So that was a bit of disappointment.
And it was quite good. It was something to do with December till now, and there were like sections, like political section. Then there was a little bit of environment section and other stuff. So it was really good, and I think I did my exam quite well.
It was more difficult than the other papers that I've given for the same course. So I would call it rather difficult.
It was more on Indian politics. Like the essay question was on the elections in West Bengal and Northeast. So most of it was on politics.
It was mostly based on the current affairs, like most of the questions, 90% I would say, based on mostly political things that are happening, like the elections that are taking place in Assam or the climate of elections in West Bengal.
Marking scheme was simple: 20 mark questions, 10 mark questions, and 5 mark questions. And I guess 5 to 6 questions were there. Yeah, 5 questions were there, in which 2 questions were kind of general English based, and others were almost all others were news based. What you see in news channels, read in newspapers, read in editorials and all that.
It was quite similar because they had this current affairs and they had grammar section also. A little below questions were twisted, but almost they were the same.
Well, it was a maximum of 85, I would say, and total number of questions was like one question was of 20 marks, and then there was a question which had like 10 questions in it, which you were supposed to like write 2-3 lines as if I were in news, and then the last part was the English part in which you were supposed to do the grammatical editing and all.
See, if you're reading newspaper daily, then they're not very tough because you will, if you read Hindu and Hindustan Express, then you have this. You will get to know everything. I mean, it's quite easy if you're regular at reading newspaper. Otherwise, it was quite tough also.
You always had a choice between going for the political thing or you had something, more of a general thing. But this time it was very definite. You didn't have a choice in the essay question as well. Like you were given 2 questions and you had to answer both of them.